If you're watching this video, that means that your instructor has chosen to use Big Blue Button to conduct their virtual office hours. This video will show you how to use the sign-up sheet and how to log in to Big Blue Button for your virtual meeting with your instructor. The sign-up sheet is a collaborative document that anyone in the class is able to edit. Click on the link and you will see the time slots that are available and the time slots that have already been taken by other students. Once you decide on an available time slot, you must click on Edit in order to go in and enter your name. Scroll to the time slot and simply type your name and click on Save. You have now signed up for the Tuesday time slot from 5:30 to 5:45. When it is time for your session, simply click the Big Blue Button link on your Moodle page. Then click on Join Session. There are 3 ways that you can communicate with your instructor in Big Blue Button. If you have a microphone, then you can chat back and forth verbally. If you have a webcam, then you can have a video conference. If you have neither of those things, then you can click on Listen Only when you're signing in and use the chat box to chat back and forth with your instructor. If you do have a microphone, you'll need to click here and let Big Blue Button perform an echo test to check and make sure that your mic is working. If you hear the echo, click on Yes. If you have a webcam and you would like to share your webcam with your instructor so that you can speak with them face to face, click on the icon at the top of the page. For any dialog boxes that pop up, just click on Allow. Now you're ready to start sharing your webcam. If you have any issues using the sign-up sheet or accessing Big Blue Button, contact your instructor or myself, and either of us will be happy to help you with any problems that you run into.